Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are one of those that use the sleep mode on your PC, or really, put it into deep sleep, or just never really, shut it down, just close the lid of your laptop and it goes to hibernate. Microsoft is actually tweaking all of this in a new kind of mode that they want to implement slowly. And it's already there. It's actually not something new. It's a more efficient power mode that is started to actually show up on modern PCs with Windows 8 and has continued to be applied on Windows 10 and is even more efficient now in Windows 11. Apparently, the latest updates that we've received has changed a few rules within the system hibernate and sleep modes that actually make it more compatible. Some computers have a hard time waking up correctly from a sleep or a deep or hibernate mode. Sometimes with a driver not working well, so a device might not work, or your PC is weird and you got to restart to have it working correct again. Well, this new mode actually uses some of the capabilities of the new hardware that we have today on PCs to make it more efficient, work better, and also make it a lot faster. That when you get out of hibernate, for example, it's almost instantaneous that you'll get your screen and you can just start working right away. So these are a few things that Microsoft has talked about, and even though it all depends on the hardware you have. If you have an older PC, it's still the old power regulations that occur. It's still the old power modes that are applied because they are still there. But when your PC or when Windows sees that your PC has all modern hardware that can actually take into account all of these hibernate and shutdown and sleep modes, um, this is what is applied automatically to your computer. So apparently, uh, more of these tweaks are coming throughout the year where these modes should actually be more reliable and also bring you a much faster mode of coming back from hibernate when you need to use your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.